The structure of Earth's atmosphere. Have you ever wondered what the air we breathe is made of, or how high the sky goes, or what protects us from the sun's harmful rays? If you have, then you are curious about the atmosphere, the thin layer of gases that surrounds the Earth and makes life possible. The atmosphere is a fascinating and complex system, with different layers that have different functions and characteristics.
The troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere, extending from the surface of the Earth to an average height of about 12 kilometers. The troposphere contains about 80% of the total mass of the atmosphere and almost all of the atmospheric water vapor. The troposphere is where most of the weather phenomena, such as clouds, rain, snow, and storms, occur. The temperature in the troposphere decreases with altitude, reaching an average of -56 degrees Celsius at the top of the layer.
The stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere, extending from the top of the troposphere to an average height of about 50 kilometers. The stratosphere contains about 19% of the total mass of the atmosphere and most of the ozone layer. The ozone layer is a region of high concentration of ozone molecules that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun and protects life on Earth. The temperature in the stratosphere increases with altitude, reaching an average of 0 degrees Celsius at the top of the layer. The stratosphere is where most commercial aircraft fly, as it offers stable and smooth conditions with little turbulence and weather interference.
The mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere, extending from the top of the stratosphere to an average height of about 80 kilometers. The mesosphere contains about 0.1% of the total mass of the atmosphere and very little water vapor. The mesosphere is where meteors burn up as they enter the Earth's atmosphere, creating shooting stars. The temperature in the mesosphere decreases with altitude, reaching an average of -90 degrees Celsius at the top of the layer.
The thermosphere is the fourth and highest layer of the atmosphere, extending from the top of the mesosphere to an average height of about 500 kilometers. The thermosphere contains about 0.001% of the total mass of the atmosphere and very few particles. The thermosphere is where high-energy radiation from the sun is absorbed and where satellites orbit the Earth. The temperature in the thermosphere increases with altitude, reaching an average of over 1,000 degrees Celsius at the top of the layer. However, the thermosphere does not feel hot to the touch, as the particles are too sparse to transfer heat.
In this video, you have learned about the four main layers of the atmosphere that are relevant for aviation purposes: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the thermosphere. You have also learned about the characteristics and properties of each layer, such as their temperature, pressure, density, and composition.